Galaxies are immense systems of stars, gas, dust, and other celestial objects, bound together by gravity. They are considered the building blocks of the universe, and exist in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and formations. These cosmic structures are truly awe-inspiring, ranging from small, irregularly shaped galaxies to colossal, spiral, or elliptical galaxies, containing billions or even trillions of stars. One of the most common types of galaxies is the spiral galaxy, characterized by its distinctive spiral arms that wrap around a central bulge. These arms are populated by young, hot stars, as well as gas and dust clouds, where new stars are born. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a prime example of a spiral galaxy. Elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, lack the prominent spiral structure, and instead appear as more rounded or elongated masses. They are typically composed of older stars, and have less ongoing star formation compared to spiral galaxies. Elliptical galaxies can vary in size, ranging from small, dwarf ellipticals to massive, giant ellipticals. Another category is the irregular galaxy, which lacks a well-defined shape or structure. Irregular galaxies can have chaotic appearances, often resulting from gravitational interactions with other galaxies. They may contain regions of active star formation, and display a mix of young and old stars. Galaxies are not isolated entities. They interact and cluster together in vast cosmic structures. Galaxy clusters consist of numerous galaxies, bound by their mutual gravitational pull. These clusters can contain hundreds, or even thousands of galaxies. Superclusters are even larger structures that comprise multiple galaxy clusters. At the center of many galaxies, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole. These black holes have masses millions, or billions of times greater than our Sun, and exert a significant influence on their surrounding galaxies. As matter falls into the black hole, it emits intense radiation, and can trigger powerful jets of particles that extend far into space. The study of galaxies, known as galactic astronomy, provides crucial insights into the evolution and structure of the universe. By observing and analyzing the distribution, properties, and interactions of galaxies, scientists deepen their understanding of the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of its origins. Subscribe for more awe-inspiring cosmic journeys.